Okay, priming the trim. I painted these ones over here without any primer, but Josh said we probably should prime them so that they last a little longer. So, hoping to get these painted tomorrow and then up this weekend. So, stay tuned. All right, little chick update. There they are. They're getting really big. Well, I just don't say really big, but you know what I'm saying. We're teaching them to like eat out of our hands. So that's fun. What are you doing, Kate? Are you painting? Don't get it on you. That is huge.
Oh my god, the other side of this paint. You can't get on these. The proper. Sit.
We have giant pool floaties for the pond. Got a T-Rex and a dragon and a unicorn. Kate, are you having fun?
Yeah. No.
Kick, buddy. Update.
I need a haircut.
Your beard's looking good, though. Why do you do that to me? What are we doing?
Putting on the trim.
Putting on the trim. I'll tell you that this trim has been very involved. But it's gonna look good. Josh made some doors. And then, so hopefully we can get this wrapped up. Time to start working on the boat. I'm gonna put this thing on there. I'm gonna put it right there, so it'll look good. You think they want a time lapse or just updates? This is for the run. I gotta get that painted, but we're not getting that done this weekend. Those are done. We could put that on the Coop. And then trim and trim, so we'll get you updated. Oh, you did it all by yourself. Can you get him off? Pick him up. Pick him up. He's right over there. Pick him up. Hurry. No, pick him up by his whole belly. There you go.
Oh my god. You cut that, I cut it.
Oh, good find.
No, it's a good thing.
Oh,
He came off.
Popped off the thing.
Well, excellent.
Yeah, Kate gets the fish one.
Here, hold him in your hand.
No.
You may just throw him back.
No, can I throw it back? No, I want some mine. I want some mine.
Okay, we will. We'll show him the video.
It looks good.
Wait, no, Mama.
What are you gonna do?
I cannot put it in there.
No, we gotta put him in. He's gonna drown.
Can I throw it in?
No, Luke is gonna throw him in. Just wrap your hand around him.
Yeah, hold him nice.
You got him. You can throw it in.
All right.
Oh, the fish go. Bye-bye.
All right.
Hey, Grace and Luke, y'all beat him. Go beat him.
What? You got it. Okay, readjust your grip.
Child labor at its finest. Go, guys, go. Go. Oh, Kenzie's competitive.
Hurry up, Carly.
Oh, they need to, okay, that's good. Super Kids Day.
That's right.
Farm style. Luke and Grace are gonna get the. Oh, here they go! Ah! Oh, they went down. Go, Luke. Go, Grace. Winners. Round 2 on Super Kids Day farm version. CrossFit for kids. The hill is the trick. Luca and Grace haven't put theirs down yet. Oh, girl, the girls are going pretty quick. Go, Grace, go! Grace, oh! Grace, good job! The competitive, she was not gonna lose. Sarah's here to help me with the compost. Yes. So what we're gonna do is over here, be phase 1, phase 2, and final product. So if they fit, everything's fitting in there, perfect. Yeah. And we think our bunny's pregnant. So
She's knocked up for sure.
fun day on the farm. Okay, we gotta move these. We're kind of tired and hungry, so. Okay, check back later. Okay, so here's our progress. Josh is fitting the door. Looks great. So we've dug out, not all the way, but we've got to lay wire down there for predators who dig. But it's coming along. Got to paint these posts. And put wire on it, and I think we're good. We've got to frame out this side for the wire and then underneath the hutch. Getting closer.